So I've been in this house for 25 years, which means that I've been in this shop for 25 years. And if you couple that with, I don't like to throw things out particularly, I'm filled up the shop with a lot of stuff that shouldn't be here anymore. In fact, I have a section of the floor over there that I haven't seen in probably 15 years, so I think I'm going to do something about it. I think what I'm going to do is get rid of an old router table that's way too big, poorly constructed, and clearly in the way most of the time because I don't use the router table very often. And since I was very happy with the pull-down workbench I made a few months ago, I thought I would do the same type of thing, and that's what I'm going to build this time. The offending areas, the center and the left. You're looking at the router table. Okay, each of these pieces is going to be 3 inches wide, so we'll just rip down a few pieces and then we'll start cutting things on bandsaw. 1/2-inch ply. Here I'm setting the router arms that are going to be below the folding workbench, and this is where the router will reside most of the time, except when the table is down and I want to use it as a router bench. This is preparing these supporting rails that go underneath the top to keep it rigid. Okay, here I'm building the legs. There's obviously only one set of legs at the end that folds down, and I've decided to use pocket screws and 1/2 inch plywood. The legs are about 2 inches wide, 34 inches long. The supports are a little bigger than that, almost 3 inches. And if you're unused to pocket screws, you really have to do this because one of them will pop up if you don't do it that way. And certainly by the way I've set the camera up, I'm going to be in the way. But the pocket screws go in there and grab a hold of the leg very nicely. Getting close now. Okay, what we're doing here is making a spring stop so that router table stays in place when I put it up against the wall. Fairly straightforward project now that I've done one before, so this one was a little bit easier. And I'm very happy to have reclaimed all of that lost territory over there. Remember, I'm responsible for my fingers and eyes, and you're responsible for yours, so that if you have any questions about your tools, be sure to ask for help. Come on back again, I've got more.